I just want to discuss a few things about what is quantum waste, what we try to do, how the idea came about. And I guess it all came out from my experience with big scale centralized technology in waste management, which requires a lot of upfront investment, a lot of setup effort, long-term contracts, consultants, engineers, permissions, project finance, and a lot of complication before you started recycling any waste. And in my mind, it was always, how many resources do you put into processing waste before you start processing waste? And what are the externalities of that? And what are the costs of transporting all that waste where these plants are, and the collection and agglomeration and the compactation, the energy in compacting all that waste and taking it away. And that's when I started thinking, why not doing this locally? Why don't we do it in a labor-intensive way, which creates local jobs, but because we don't have any other expenses other than employing people, actually we're going to make it competitive, and we're going to be a lot more efficient, especially if you consider all the externalities for the taxpayer, for the environment, for society, and so on. So quantum waste is based and developed around the Cube technology. It is a container-based in-vessel composting machine that can be deployed anywhere, is flexible, easy to operate, very little energy consumption, and transforms waste into organic fertilizer. Once food waste is being dealt with, then pretty much everything that you have left is a combination of cardboard, paper, plastics, metals, glass, and all that can be easily sorted and recycled as well. So yes, we are labor intensive because we pick things one by one manually, but we have the best product and the best output available, and that's because there is no machine more developed and sophisticated than people, and because of that we can also recycle more than anybody else. And we only do one movement from our customers to local sites. There we sort out everything. We make food waste into organic fertilizer, we make bales of recycled materials, and from that goes directly into the industry or into farmers that can get everything back. So I see the system simple, and that's what quantum waste is about.